In this video, you will learn how to print grid lines in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have opened a Microsoft Excel sheet. If I go to File, and here you will find the option of print. Select this one. From here, you can see the print preview. You can see here grid line did not appear on this page. It means that if we print this page, then grid line will not appear on our printed page. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. If I go back to the sheet, you can see here that grid lines appeared on this sheet, but these grid lines did not appear on print preview. So how we can settle this problem? Again, I will go to File menu, go to Print option. Here you will find different options. From here you can adjust the page size, margins, scaling and many others. In this video, I will only focus on how to print grid lines in Microsoft Excel. So I will go to this option. Here is the option of page setup. Click on this option. You will find different tabs: page, margins, header and footer and sheet. Select this one, which is the last one, sheet option. And under sheet option, you will find the option of grid lines under print. Select this option. Now you can see here I have selected grid line option. After selecting this option, simply click on OK. Now you can see here that grid lines appeared on this page, and if I take the print of this page, then these grid lines will be appear on our final printed page. If I again go to page setup option and I don't want these grid lines, I will again go to this sheet option and I will deselect this grid line option. After that, click on OK. Now you can easily observe that grid lines are removed from our print preview. You can easily print this page and these grid lines will not appear on the printed page. So by following these instructions, you can easily print grid lines in Microsoft Excel sheet. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.